So in this video, I want to give you guys a quick tour of our family suite at the Grand at Moon Palace Cancun, Mexico. Now all these rooms are all identical. The only difference may be layout, or if you actually book the executive suite, you will have a much more bigger room that has 3-bedroom sitting area, a kitchen, and a dining room. But when you walk into these rooms, on your left hand side or your right hand side, depending on your layout, you will find your coffee maker area, your mini bar, and in there you will have a bottle of wine, as you just seen, a welcoming gesture. And down below you have your ice bucket cabinet, and you have your mini fridge that is always restocked. Now all these are all sealed due to COVID. Even the door is sealed. We broke it in, of course, as you see. We've had some stuff in there already. This is a sauce for my daughter. She loves to eat rice and special sauce, so we bought this just to be on the safe side. But in there you will find some beer, as you see, Corona. You have some sodas, some juices, and a couple bottles of water. These are restocked every time, so the more you drink it, the more they restock it, or they can be restocked on your request. They always check these every day to make sure they're all full. And up top you have your hard liquor cabinet. Now since we travel with a family, we made sure they locked this on the other side of the kids' rooms, but on this side, since it's the adult side, they left this open. So you have your hard liquor, you have your Jose Cuervo, Bacardi rum, and you have so much. I don't think they have different brand options you can select from, but these are also refilled every time. The more you drink it, the more they refill. So take advantage of it. If you don't drink, then you can request for them to lock it. But other than that, they're there for you to drink. You can drink as much as you want. It's all inclusive. They refill this, like I said again. The wine is complimentary, and of course on the kids side, they will lock this area. And they will leave the sodas, of course, but they will lock the area for the hard liquor. And then you walk into this nice closet, and of course these are our luggages. Those are our sweaters that we walked in with. The lights are motion censored, so once you get in there, you put your hand around that area, it will light up. You have your ironing board and your iron if you need to use them. And on the other side, you have your safe with a straightforward instruction on how to configure your own personal PIN number so you can lock your documents. And right across from it, you have the bathroom. It's a full-size bathroom with double vanities, and very clean, very bright. It's very beautiful and modern with the marble everywhere. They give you these towels. You don't have to worry about traveling with towels. And then on your right hand side, you have your separate water closet or your separate toilet with this beautiful decor. Now you can sit in this toilet. You have your privacy. Lock the door. The tissues smell very, very good. Very good, actually. You can sit in here. You have your phone. You can sit in this bathroom, use it for a few hours while you watch our videos, and smash a like to this video and subscribe to our channel. And when you walk right across, you will see this massive shower station. Massive room for your shower. And they give you these huge bottles of shower gel and shampoo. It's not your typical shampoo bottles that you give you in other hotels, but we do travel with ours, so you will see my Dove shampoo over there and shower gel. But you can use these for the duration of your visit, and they will of course restock them if you run out. And they give you these non-slip mats for the shower floor, so you don't slip in there, or when you're drunk, you don't be clumsy and bust your head on the floor. But it's very clean. I love it. To give you these clean towels, and you have this blow dryer for your hair, and also you have the flat iron for your hair on this side. And on your left hand side, you have extra storage if you have your own personal gear that you want to store in there. There's enough room for you to store it. Of course, you have your outlets on both ends, so you don't have to run into each other if you want to use them. And you have this nice makeup mirror, and you have this see-through door between the bathroom. And again, like I said, they're identical with the other rooms, so it will look the same. On the left hand side is mine, and this right hand side is my daughter and her brother's room. So they're very identical. And again, the doors, the room are adjoining, they're separated by doors. So these are my kids' room with the double beds, and on this side is my room with my wife. And you have these outlets that they give you. You have enough outlets for you to use. ample supply of outlets, and 2 USB charging ports. One is high speed for some of us that have these fast charging cell phones. You can use that one. You have your phone. Unfortunately, phone is on one side, so you have to come on the other side to use the phone. Use the phone, or you can just simply go into the bathroom and just use the phone in the bathroom. Sit in there, like our video, subscribe to our channels, or do whatever you want to do. But then again, you have this massive drawer space, and of course, as you can see, our personal stuff in there. My daughter's teddy bear that we bought from the gift shop the moment we got in there, and the rest of our cleaning supplies, Lysol. We like to travel with it just to be on the safe side. Not every place is as clean as you would think. And then you have these nice drawer spaces. They are all soft close drawers. We don't unpack when we go places, but if you're one of those people that unpack your stuff, you can use these drawers. We don't unpack at all, so they were empty throughout our visits. We usually take our clothes out of suitcases, 1 or 2 clothes at a time, so we don't necessarily use this. But it's there for you to use it. And on the other side, on my side, since my wife selected that side because of the phone, on this side I also have multiple outlets, 2 USB charging ports. Of course, the alarm clock is on my side with the time, and again, one of the USB ports are high-speed ports. So, and you have your reading lamp, and those are my drone chargers, so my battery chargers for my drone. And then you walk down, and on your left hand side you have this sort of a seating area. You can sit in there like an office space, if you will. You can sit in there, open up your laptop or do some video editing like I was doing while I was there. And you have 3 ports again. You have your HDMI ports there as well if you want to sit in there and plug in some stuff. And down below you have this step down. At first I was kind of concerned for my daughter. It was concerning for my daughter, but then I looked at it. You have actually these nice lights that illuminates throughout the day, and when you turn up the lights, it actually stays bright enough to show you where you're going so you don't trip and fall over. They're not bright enough to mess up the mood, but they're bright enough just for you to be able to walk through and you see where you're going. And on your right hand side, when you step down, you have this massive jetted tub or jacuzzi. This can actually fit 4 people, but comfortably you can fit 2 people. Relax. You don't have to worry about cramping in there. Have your little mini party with your significant other, and you have your nice, jetted bubbles or whatever you call that thing right there. And then on the other side, you have your nice, breakfast nook. They gave us this champagne because my wife was celebrating her birthday, and a nice happy birthday gesture, and of course 2 champagne glass and these beautiful decor. The decors are all the same in every rooms, but they're still beautiful. And of course, again, this massive balcony, very beautiful balcony. It's huge. You can have your party in there with no issue. Just don't be too loud for the neighbors. Again, you will see balloons on the floor. That's because, again, we were already in the room, so my daughter already was having her field day. So she has my wife's balloon everywhere on the floor. That's what you will see right there. And you have this beautiful view that we loved because it was so close to the water park, and that we can literally just get out of the room, walk downstairs, or catch the elevator downstairs and walk right to the park. The park is that close. There are plenty. I think they have 10 buildings in this resort. This is the Grand for the family, but you don't necessarily have to stay there with the family. You can stay there by yourself if you want to, but this is mainly for family, for family to stay. Very beautiful, and you have this golf carts everywhere running, pretty much every 10 minutes to pick people up. You can up to walk out the entire resort if you want. But on that side, you actually have the beach. I don't think people can rent the beach front area unless you're an elite, I guess, resident. But I'm not sure. I'm not too sure. I could be wrong. But I do know that the elite residents are on that side. But this balcony is just so huge, man. You can have your whole party in this balcony. Beautiful decor outside. Just don't be noisy for your neighbors. I'm sure you wouldn't want noise while you're trying to rest on your side of your balcony. But in the room, it's very well insulated. It's soundproof. Of course, if you're outside the door, you will hear if somebody's crying for help. But if you're in the next room and we cannot hear anything, it can be as loud as you want in that room. We can't hear anything. But yeah, this balcony is very beautiful, very spacious. You can have your own party, relax, and this is it. This is our room. Again, I don't want to show the other side of the room because, like I said, it's identical. The only difference is the bed size for the kids versus our bed. We have the king size bed. So then they also have these day beds outside on the balcony and the chairs. So again, guys, thank you all for watching this video. If you like this video so far, make sure you smash a like to this video and make sure you subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so. We have plenty of other videos coming up with 7 days at this resort. Thank you all for watching this video. Please make sure you leave a comment down below if you have any additional questions, concerns, or anything that you may want to ask. I will be glad to engage with you and answer any questions. Thank you all for watching. See you on the next video.